Hey Condors, it's your boy Mr. Roberts coming at you with some knowledge about how to use ScreenCastify. More specifically, we're going to learn how to install it. We're going to be using ScreenCastify for some of our presentations in science class this year. So let's get started. Open up your Chromebook or your computer and open up your Chrome browser and go to ScreenCastify.com. You'll see here that we've got this nice little button that says Add to Chrome. It's free. We like free. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to take us to the Chrome Web Store, where we're going to click Add to Chrome. We get a notification. Do we want to add it? Yes, we'll add the extension. It takes it a moment, and it's been added. Okay. Except I don't see it up here. So what I need to do real quick is I'm going to click on Extensions, and I'm going to click on the pin next to ScreenCastify, and that'll make sure that I can always see the icon for ScreenCastify. Let's click on it and see what happens. So the first time you click on that icon, it's going to take you to the setup. You need to link it with your Google account. So you're just going to click Sign in with Google. I'm already signed in on this computer, so it just took me to the next step, where I need to unlock the ability to use the camera and microphone and drawing and annotation tools. So I'm just going to click Next. I get a pop-up, and I'm going to click Allow. And that's it. You're ready to start recording with ScreenCastify. I would recommend, take a moment, read the overview video, or view the overview video, maybe even view the guide on how to make your first recording. I'm going to real quickly get you started with it. Notice that it says click on that little icon in the toolbar to get started with ScreenCastify. Let's click on it. Okay. Right now it's set to desktop and use the microphone. But you're going to usually want to change this. So you're going to want to usually change that to Browser tab. And we want to embed our webcam. You'll have to select your camera. If you click on Show More Options, it'll give you some things here, such as a countdown, which means that once you click Record, you've got 3 seconds till it starts recording. You're also going to want to turn on Tab Audio. If you don't turn that on, the video in your slideshow will play, but there won't be any audio from that. And how this works is you just click Record. You start doing whatever you want to do on the website. And then when you're done, I'm going to go over video. Okay. Then when I'm done, I go back up here and I click. And I wait a sec and I say stop. And now it's going to save it to your drive. This is great because now you can watch it, you can edit it. So if you need to trim on the beginning or the end, if there's blank space that you need to trim, and then you can submit this as your assignment. I really recommend try and record at least twice each time. It's really useful to record the first time, and then rewatch it. See the mistakes you made, and then try and do better the second time. You can record it as many times as you want, delete the ones you don't like, and submit your best copy. Well, that's all. I hope that helps you as a quick introduction to ScreenCastify.